Good morning friends. In today class we will do exercise of sets. Let us start. The first question is which of the following are sets? We have to tell whether it is a sets or it is not a sets. The first question is the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So what will be the sets? Suppose A is the set equal to braces. तो मंथ ऑफ ए ईयर विच इज़ बिगिनिंग विद द लेटर जे इज जनवरी. देन सेकेंड मंथ इज जून. देन थर्ड मंथ इज जुलाई. ब्रेसिस क्लोज. तो टेल मी नाउ वेदर इट इज़ ए सेट्स आर नॉट ए सेट्स. तो व्हाट इज ए सेट्स? तो सेट्स इज ए वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. तो कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. तो व्हाट इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इन दिस केस? In this case the collection of object is the month beginning with letter J and it is a well defined collection of objects, so it is a set. So answer for first question is it is a sets. Now second question, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So in this case we can't define the most talented writers of India, we can't define. So element of this sets is not well defined, hence it is not a set. So it is not a set. So answer for second question is it is not a set. Third question is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So we can't define the best cricket batsmen of the world. So the element of the set is not well defined, hence it is not a set. Fourth question is the collection of all boys in your class. So in the class of a school the number of boys or students is well defined because it is fixed who is in this class. Every children is well defined by name, roll number and male female. So it is a well defined collection of objects, hence it is a set. So answer for fourth question is it is a sets. Next question is the collection of all natural numbers of less than 100. So what will be the collection of all natural number less than 100? So what are the natural numbers? Natural number starts with 1 and go up to infinity. There is no limit of the greatest natural number. So number will be like that 1 2 3 4 5 and it is telling that natural number less than 100. So what will be the last number? Last number will be 99. So it is a well defined collection of objects, hence it is a set. So answer for question number 5 is it is a set. Now question number 6 is a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So what will be the collection of novels? So Munshi Premchand have written only some novels, so we can define that novels, hence it is a collection of well defined objects, so it is a set. Question number 7, the collection of all even integer. So we can define all even integer. -4 dash dash dash, it will be -4 -3 -2, sorry, because it is even number 0 2 4 dash dash. So it is a well defined collection of objects, hence it is a set. So answer for 7th question number is it is a set. The collection of question in this chapter is well defined, hence it is a set. So answer for question number 8 is it is a set. Question number 9, a collection of most dangerous animal of the world. So we can't define the most dangerous animals in the world, hence the object is not well defined of a set, so it is not a set because the objects or element is not well defined, so it is not a set. So answer for this ninth question, it is not a set. Question number 2, let a equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Insert the appropriate symbol epsilon or not epsilon in the blank space. What the meaning of this symbol is belong, and meaning of this symbol is not belongs. Then 5 if element is present in the sets, then we will write belongs. So 5 is present in this, so we write 5 belongs to A. Okay. In second question, 8 is not present in this sets, so what we will write, 8 do not belongs to A. So answer for second question is do not belong. Now third question, 0 also not present in this sets, it means 0 does not belong to set A. We will write 0 does not belongs to set A. Next question is question number 4. 4 is present in this set, 4 is present, so we will write 4 belongs to A. Now fifth question, 2 is also present in this sets, we will write 2 belongs to A. Now sixth question, 10 is not present in this sets, so we will write 10 does not belongs to A. Now next question, question number 3. Write the following question in the roster form. So how we will write, I will tell you. Question number 1 is A equal to X, where X is an integer and X is greater than -3 or is less than 7. Then what will be the set in roster form? Then we will write the number enclosed in braces and separated by comma. So X is greater than -3. So greater than -3 integer will be -2, then -1, then 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. We will stop on 6 because second condition is X is less than 7. So if we go behind the 6, then it will be equal 7, and after that it will become greater than 7. So we will stop here because second condition is telling X is less than 7. So what will be the roster form? A equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and brace close. So this will be the roster form of question number 1. Now second question, X b equal to X such that X is a natural number less than 6. So what will be the roster form? Natural number less than 6, we will write 1 2 3 4 5 and less than 6, so we will stop here because we have to write the number less than 6. So natural number less than 6 will be 1 2 3 4 5. We will close the brace. Now question number 3, C equal to X, where X is a 2-digit number, natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. So 2-digit natural number having the sum of its digit equal to 8. How we will write 2-digit number? So 17 because 1 plus 7 equal to 8. Then 26, 2 plus 6 equal to 8. Then 35, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. We will close in braces. Then 55, sorry, 44, because 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Then 53, because 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Then 62, 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Then 71, 7 plus 1 equal to 8. I think there is no other two digit number having the sum of two digit equal to 8. So we will stop here. If there is others number, then we will write in this set, and that will be the answer. We will close the brace. So answer for this is 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71. Now question number 4 is d equal to x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So we have to write prime number which is divisor of 60. So divisor of 60, first prime number is 2, then 3, then 5, then other prime number which can divide 60. There is no other prime number which can divide 60. So we will stop here. So 2, 3, 5. These are prime number which is divisor of 60. Now next question is fifth. E equal to the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So sets of all letter in the words trigonometry. What will be the set? Equal to T, comma R. We will write all alphabet and do not repeat alphabet again. Here O is coming twice, so we will write O only once. T is coming twice, we will write T only once. So we will not repeat letters again. So T, R, I, G, I, comma G, comma O, comma N, comma M, comma E, comma E, comma Y. So this will be the set of trigonometry. T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. Now question number 6. F equal to the sets of all letter in the word waiter. So F equal to what will be the roster form? Roster form will be B, comma E, comma T, or comma R. It will be the sets of letter waiter, of word waiter. Now question number 4 is write the following sets in the set builder form. Then how we will write in the set builder form? First question is 3, 6, 9 or 12. How we will write in set builder form? A equal to x, where x equal to 3n, or n is a natural number, or n is a natural number is less than equal to 1 or is less than equal to 4. So this will be the roster form. When n is 1, then x will be 3. When n equal to 2, x will be 6. When n equal to 3, x will be 9. And when n equal to 4, so then x will be 12. So this will be the roster form. For the other question, we can write the roster form. Here what is it? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. तो वी कैन राइट a इक्वल टू x where x equal to 2n. What will be the x? X equal to, we can write in the set builder form as, first we will check what is its series. तो 2 की पावर 1 is 2, 2 की पावर 2 is 4, 2 की पावर 3 equal to 8, 2 की पावर 4 equal to 16 और 2 की पावर 5 equal to 32. So here we can write this series as 2 की पावर n or n belongs to natural number, n belongs to n. Okay, then we will write in the set builder form as a equal to x where x equal to 2 की पावर n and n belongs to n. कैपिटल n means नेचुरल नंबर और n is greater than equal to 1 or is less than equal to 5. n is going up to 5. If we put n equal to 1, then x equal to 2 की पावर 1 equal to 2, n equal to 2, then x equal to 2 की पावर 2 equal to 4. n equal to 3, तो x equal to 8, n equal to 4, x will be 16. So set builder form for question number 2 is this. Now third question is 5, 25, 125 और 625. This is 5 की पावर 1 equal to 5, 5 की पावर 2 equal to 25, 5 की पावर 3 equal to 125, 5 की पावर 4 equal to 5 की पावर 4, 5 की पावर 4 equal to 625. Then how we will write in the set builder form, because it is 5 की पावर n और n belongs to n, n belongs to natural numbers. We will write like that, a equal to braces x where x equal to 5 की पावर n and n belongs to n. We can also write n is a natural number. We can, in spite of this, we can write n is a natural number and n is greater than equal to 1 is less than equal to 4. So this is the set builder form for this question. Now question number 4 is question number 4, 2, 4, 6 dash dash dash. तो what is these number, what are these number? तो a equal to x where x is an even natural number, even natural number. Okay, so this will be the set builder form of question number 4. Now question number 5 is, what will be this series? तो 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9 dash dash dash, 10 square equal to 100. तो how we will write this in set builder form? तो it is a equal to x such that x equal to n square or n belongs to n. n is a natural number, n is a natural number and n is greater than equal to 1 or is less than equal to 10. n is between 1 to 10 and 1 also included or 10 also included. Is greater than equal to 1 means 1 is also present, is less than equal to 10 means 10 also present, then what will be the